Yo, what up? It's DeCosmic. I just wanted to come at y'all with the three stocks that I am watching today. They are EKSO, KTOV, and GNC. GNC is a bankruptcy play, and they had some interesting movement today. They had a nice little spike off a very low volume. So I'm going to be looking at this one. The whole overall markets are going to be going down today. Like, let's look at our QQQ. Oh yeah, I mean they're not looking super healthy. Um, the virus has been causing a whole lot of issues. So be careful, anybody that's long. EKSO is a play that I would be in if I had the extra liquidity. Uh, they had some they had some news, and here, let me pull up Benzinga real quick. They had some news of them getting FDA approval, clearance for the robotic sensor. So it's going to be halted. This thing is going to fly. And that came out at 7:30, and the spike started at 8:30. So I mean, if you were even watching Benzinga, and you even had EKSO, this actually came out on Squawk too. If you were in our chat room, you would have caught it as well. KTOV is a recent runner. Um, to me, it looks like it is hitting a big resist. It's hitting a resistance, but it actually might push through. Let's go to the 7-day, 5 minute. All right. So sorry, this is being a little laggy. Whenever you switch your charts and you have it on 1 minute, if over multiple days, it tries to populate every single tick, and it just lags down your computer. Um, let's see if it can break over its after hours high from yesterday. Um, to make it a confirmed breakout over this level. It's got a lot of resistance there. So if it can break out, then I want to see it break out past here. So my plan would possibly be get in around, if it can break out and come back down and retest its former resistance, make it support. Um, Probably around 115 and get out at 130. Make a good 20 cents or 15 cents off of it. So that would be my plan if I'm playing KTOV. GNC, it's just interesting. I love these bankruptcy plays. They have been purely awesome to watch. Here, let's go. Let's go Benzinga. All right. So GNC, I just love watching it, and look, KTOV is tanking. GNC is now at 96 cents. Like, holy crap, it went up to $1.40 from 50 cents, from 70 cents. Like, this thing, if it can reliably break out, cup and handle, like, I wouldn't even wait to get him to there. This is a play that I want to play on now. So, y'all keep it easy. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. Are you tired of getting in hot moving stocks late? Does your current breaking news software break your bank? Getting fed up with poor software performance? Well, ditch what you have now for Benzinga Pro, the fastest and most reliable breaking news source on the web. With a fully customizable workstation and on time push notifications to your desktop, you will never be late again catching that hot stock. Benzinga Pro beats its competitions hands down in both performance and customer support. Click on the link in the description and use code MADAZ25
for 25% off Benzinga Pro for life. Want to test it out before you buy? No worries. You can try Benzinga Pro 2 weeks free with no obligations. No credit card information needed, just an email address and your phone number. Sign up today and make more money.